Bruh. 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 to my place. I can turn around, let me show you how it tastes. Yeah. A baller, mine on the dollar. Swallowing the bottle while you're smoking on gelato. Now do you need some of that no? Just tell me that you're coming through. Why can't we ever bond?
Oh, 2Gs, reveal yourselves. Dwayne, what you ask for, you shall receive them, my brother. Chad, what you doing, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are loaded. I hope you guys are feeling good. I hope the energy levels are high, because I think there's going to be a lot of volatility. Well, not volatility, it's a volume this session. But both 2Gs in the building again. I think you guys are just enjoying it. But Krober, how are you feeling for this afternoon session, bro?
Revenge training shall be commencing soon.
Chad, I said to Chris earlier, if you guys go back to just before I left, I told you when we had the read chance to run those lows, and I said, we either running these lows now, and if we don't run the lows, we are in trouble. And that's exactly what happened. We were in trouble after those lows did not go.
Indeed in trouble.
But Chad, it's part of the game. Come back stronger. We were I was obviously busy after the fact, so I wasn't going to look at the re-entry. I think our initial plan that we had, if you actually followed that, you would have taken it. So, but as I said, I was on the charts then, so I left it. But just going to lock in and focus for this one. But Chad, without further ado, I think we're going to get right into the charts and just dive head first. But if you're on YouTube, Chad, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on the notification bell. This video have quite a bit of the content coming in the future now. But Chad, without further ado, as always, we're going to open up the stream with a prayer. If you guys will all join me and bow your heads. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for joining us here today. As once again we take on these insane things we call the charts. It is a very difficult thing, but something we love. It's something we enjoy. And again, it's something I say to a lot of people. It just reminds us of our journey with you. We ask questions. We're curious to why things don't work out. We face difficulties. We go through the practice of repetition over and over and over again, trying to better ourselves, but trying to also find the answers. And very similar is we see with our relationship with you. We go through difficult times. We find things that we don't understand. We ask you questions for why you do what you do sometimes. But it's in that faith and it's in that trust we always know that we will overcome in the long term. So, Lord, we thank you for those blessings. We thank you for loving us. We thank you for supporting us. And we thank you for the basics, the health, the food, our families, our loved ones. And we thank you for everything you give us, as we truly don't deserve it, but that is just in your grace. And Lord, we pray this in your heavenly name. Amen.
Amen.
Now,
Amen.
Chad,
Amen.
if you guys are in agreement there, you can drop an amen, because you guys know if there's more than two, he is here and present with us. But Chad, let's see what the markets have now. Unfortunately, we're not even going to waste time with the fundamental chat. It's not really fundamentals to talk about. We're going to give it a little bit of skip. Obviously, we focus on US events, and all US events are on post at the moment. So we're going to see when they do come out, but for now, we're just going to take the charts as we will. Now, if you guys go back to this morning, I said to you guys, I'm still going to be quite neutral on the dollar. And the big thing for me was, we said we want to see it really go up, but I don't expect it to go further. We had those highs marked down, and we still spoke about that the weekly R2 could be just that final reversal area, and that's exactly what we had there. We did see it go up quite aggressively, nice clear one-way traffic, but then holding resistance at that weekly R2, and it's also a previous daily high. We keep rejecting. I really do believe this will come all the way back down. We're Asia lows, and we also have a gap there to another second gap at previous daily low weekly pivot. A big thing we always saw on Monday, Tuesday, you'll see your one direction before we have the continuation start to play out on a Wednesday. So this being the end, basically, as we start approaching the end and last session of the Tuesday, do we start to see that reversal and the high of the week being set to see this thing come back down? As I said, a big one here, not only a weekly R2, taking out a previous daily high, weekly R2, and now also trading back underneath that previous daily high. And very, very nice clear rejection with the other confluences we said of Asia lows, gaps, and then again even more gaps underneath that from the previous day. So we'll see what happens there, but not going bullish yet on the dollar. Going over to NASDAQ, the big thing we want to take forward here is again very, very much a bullish market. Running all-time highs, again taking our previous daily highs. Not a pair I'd want to be trading right now. It can run, but I feel your option should have been this morning. If you weren't in it, I think there's a bit of trouble there. We spoke about this morning that I wouldn't have taken the grubber play over here. Why would I have not taken the grubber play over there? Because I was fast asleep. That is at 2:45 in the morning. I am still dreaming at that time. I'm dreaming of these type of trades, but I'm not in them. So once you came back, yeah, this was the grubber play you would have wanted to wait for if you were on the London session. We spoke quite a bit about seeing this play. Asia lows break underneath, hold the daily pivot, which gives you your natural healthy pullback to hold resistance of Asia highs. Then you want to see that play come down. You were a pipette short, but again, if you'd maybe used a different broker and a Black Bull, Pepperstone, whatever the case is, you might have been tapped in there, and that would have been a perfect grubber play for you to then go and trade bullish after that, where we always know, obviously, Asia highs coming in, and then there your daily R1. So daily R1 is a little bit short, but would have been a very, very nice grubber play for that on NAS. So originally for me, I think that would be the move of the day. I wouldn't be looking at anything else there. US 30, same idea, but trading quite bullish here. Remember, we spoke about the idea that I am a little bit more bearish purely just of price reaction. And the big thing for us was you wanted to see if we start dropping down here, so into the lower time frames, that we wanted to see it play there for Asia highs, and the same idea with the grubber. So we were trading underneath here. We wanted to see Asia highs come in as that was untested, which we went for beautifully, and then the EQ where this thing absolutely went right through. So no grubber play coming in here at this point in time. As USD plays out now, I always talk about this when you have these massive inducement candles. I always like to talk about the fact that if it is trading over there, if we take to the high in the open of that candle, very, very good chance we have clear traffic one way. We will have nice clear traffic the other way to at least close up that move. So you could see a little bit of a bullish push on the open here for USD, if not a massive push after that, before it maybe potentially could even drop again. But USD being a bit choppy, I don't really want to get myself involved in that one. And as you guys know, gold, a little bit of revenge trading here. We have something personal. Very, very close to 4,000. I don't know where you've been. If you haven't been here, we've been talking about 4,000 is definitely on the table. So you want to be looking for that move. So I think at this point in time, as long as we haven't hit 4,000, the money is going to be on the buys. A little bit of the move there. Once hit Asia lows and close in that Asia range, I think this buy was always on. So well done to the guys that did take that trade. But going into New York session, we're on out that weekly R2. What I would love to see is a retest. If we could get of Asia highs, see that thing hold, and then run from that point onwards. We have the daily R1 coming as we approach 4,000. So very, very good chance, Chad. You guys know the drill. Well, we could even see if this thing does hold, yeah, even jumps. If we hold that daily R1 a bit, we can run 4,000. Very, very simple. We could even see a daily R2. So a nice strong drive past 4,000 all the way to 4,025. Just because of round numbers, I'd like to go for 4,020 just for that psychological purpose over there. But Chad, that is what I'm going to be looking at for the day. And Kribber, over to you, brother.
Kigo, thank you so much, my brother. Chad, let's start with the dollar on the daily. So as discussed this morning, we are bullish, going for the wick fill, going to fill out that range. We are now currently at the top of that range. So this is where the dollar is going to either break out or it's going to pause there for a bit. To the T now, looking at this daily R1, if we're going to continue higher on the dollar, daily R1 is going to hold as support, and we're going to push through to daily R2. Otherwise, what's going to happen as soon as we start trading below the daily R1, you're going to actually see the dollar come all the way back to this daily pivot level, right? So only one of two scenarios going to happen here, all right? Those are the two scenarios. If we don't even go to the daily R1 and we start holding above here, then obviously that is your sign that we are going long on the dollar. US 30, as mentioned this morning on the daily, I told you I cannot be bearish on one single daily candle. Spoke about us still being bullish. It was trading in no man's land for me. So looking at it now, where can we execute from here? All right. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a very deep pullback into Asia highs, even this zone. I'm going to say this entire zone is going to be important, because if we hold that zone, then we are going back to the highs and potentially that daily R1. Okay, so just keep an eye out for that. Can't trade it at the highs, gonna have to wait for some substructure to be formed there. NASDAQ on the day, as mentioned, it was bullish. Nice little bullish breakout there. We are now currently trading at the previous daily highs, which is relatively interesting because we are starting to fail there. But also consider yesterday we had this similar thing happen. Yesterday this was very close to the open. All right, there was the open. Failed to hold above, came back down, and then later on retested at 200 beautifully, and then proceeded to take out the current daily highs. So are we going to see something similar here? I am in buy mode. There's your daily flip level. There is it's not Asia highs. There's Asia highs. So I don't know how deep we pull back. Are we going to pull back into this area to get some buys back to your previous daily high? That is the potential we've got here, ladies and gents. Goldilocks. All right, gold this morning started off the day looking for the sells as we rejected that previous daily high, but still super bullish, and we are going to continue with that bullish momentum now with the fact that we are back above that 200 EMA. We are back above that daily zone that we spoke about this morning. And how can we get involved now? So simple thing for me that I'm looking at is that from the start of the new trading day, we have never tested the previous daily high and held above it. Okay, even here you can see again rejected, now pushing through. The ideal trade for me is a nice aggressive pullback into that previous daily high, holding that level, and then we are going back to that average daily range. The other side of it, and this is the side that you need to be very comfortable with, is the fact that we can potentially do something here, consolidate here at your average daily range, and we can push 2 standard deviations. Okay, is that something I'm going to take? No, that is not what I'm going to take. I'm going to wait for this. If that happens and it runs without me, but I ideally want to at least see a pullback into Asia highs, and ideal scenario is into that previous daily high where I can see it's holding, and that's going to be the perfect setup for me. Okay, German 30. Okay, I told you I'm not going to look for sells today, even if it runs how many pips. Why? Because we've retested this daily area where we failed before. This was the first time that we broke above this level and actually held above the level. So there we tried to fake back out. Yesterday's daily candle taking a previous daily low, and I mentioned to you guys that I want to start looking for buys at this daily flip area. Okay, daily pivot holding nicely. There is that zone we spoke about this morning, that daily zone, and all I want to see now is a potential pullback in here, or I'm going to wait for NYSE open, and if we get a nice break above this daily flip area, I'm going to execute the longs with the idea that we can go and break those previous daily highs and then effectively trade into your daily R1. Okay, so bullish for me on German 30. That is what I am looking at. Kigalezi.
I don't know, brother. You just send me his number.
Let you have his number. Let me send it to you. Let me send it to you.
I knew once I have his number, it's going to be problems, bro.
You sure you want it? You gotta lock in with that, man. Okay, I've got a few here. I'm gonna send you.
A few.
I don't know why.
We're gonna see a Chad.
Okay, Kigalezi.
Who won the account giveaway earlier, by the way?
Rakishi Love. Well, that's something Rakishi.
Alright.
Okay, Chad, we are back.
Alright, Chad.
Kigaleza.
How you all feeling? Fourth session for the week, Chad. How you guys doing? Please tell me you guys haven't blown up already.
Kigalezi, here's your horn, my brother. Can we get that aggressive?
Maybe we put that on a number plate, bro.
Kigalezi.
We ain't blowing yet. W week so far. Blues for now. Buying my fourth account.
Who's that?
Rix.
Hi, Ruxana.
Down 2R so far. I mean, that's not bad. You can definitely still recover from that. The blues from yesterday. Chris, I'm still waiting for you to walk me through the wine tasting technique.
Hey, Tinas. Tijuana. Prop firm traders won't know how to taste the wine like that.
Can't remember down day. Just that big sell went down. All right, Brian. Okay. All right. Bro, I was laughing earlier. I was watching the one, and this guy's like, "Bro, why don't you ever show how much money you make? It's because you're not making proper money."
Who says this?
It's an overseas trader.
On Instagram?
Yeah. And the guy just turned around. He said, "My brother, anyone who's showing you how much money they make on Instagram, he's like, I will almost guarantee you it's not real money." He says, because no one's going to do that when tax is around. I was like, that is so true. If anyone is flashing these numbers to you here and there.
Surely they don't know SARS exists.
Caught the gold sell. What gold sell? The little, like, $20 move that happened now. I mean, 20 top move.
Would I call it a rejection? You cannot call it a rejection yet, my brother. I'm going to tell you why.
Financial audits. There you go.
Jake's here. I'm going to tell you why. Because if you look at all of this, this is still very bullish. So this is your first pullback. Okay. So if you look at this, the structure is still bullish. But if we get something that pushes up and we then break structure, then you can consider that where market has now shifted from a bullish order flow to a bearish one. Because in bullish markets, we create higher highs and higher lows, where with this, we have then proceeded to create a lower low. Alright, so no, I wouldn't consider this.
Flamena, the thing is, the end of the day, you the one who still comes here to watch us every day. We just doing our life with a camera on. I've always said, if we're making proper money, trust me, we're going to be on the beach somewhere. So the fact you sitting here on a stream, I don't know.
We're still grinding, Flamena. We're still figuring it out. Don't worry. We'll figure it out.
Chris and Keys, quote my bot. P for TP has 95% win rate. It has AI built into it. It can also mentor. We are hitting the beach soon though. Yeah, Brian, because we can't have you carrying her the whole time here, bro. She's got to step up to the plate as well.
Carrying. Yo.
Don't worry, Brian. I'll pay for those physio bills, bro. I'm sure your back's hurting.
Oh. Brian carrying Team Plamena. Is that what I'm hearing? Yo. Brian is the team carry there. Plamena playing the support role, position 5.
Player 23.
Brian's just like, Plamena, you better make sure that I'm fresh. What is this? Plamena, what is this? An empty cup of coffee. You know, these lots don't trade themselves. Get me my coffee, Plamena, or you won't see any beach anytime soon.
She grabs bigger trades than me. But Brian, you know what they also say? The guys that are holding on to trades because they're holding on for the money value. The guy that's turning around quicker profits is because he doesn't need to hold on.
Rooksy loved his... Wait, Rooksy loved his life based off people's financial ruin. He's dumb if he expects to get away scot-free. Who's this now? Wait, who's?
I don't know what they're going on about.
What are
I
they
don't know who
talking
they're
about?
talking about.
Who's not getting
This
away?
is her hobby though, not her main income. H kicks. I know he means right, but he's dropping people's data online, can get him locked up at the time. Where's this future chart ahead of spot gold? Well, the funniest joke I've ever heard, they also said let winners run. Oh, hey Plamena.
Wait, Incognito, who are you talking? Sanos found the scammer. Oh, okay. Alright. Sanawana.
Plamena, you know what they also say? Set and forget, and we know how the rest of that went.
Oh, Rattles later. Okay.
Never got why people post how much they make on IG. 25th, I'll post my pay slip again.
Yeah, but the issue is, even if he doesn't care, there's certain rules on social media. He'll very, very quickly lose that IG account. You cannot dox people. You cannot incite violence on your post. So you will very, very quickly.
Plenty of traders set and forget and win keys. The fact that you can't doesn't mean no one can. When did we say I can't?
Who says we're not in the longs already and we're forgetting that we long?
AG's car door go up though, so he must be doing something right. Anyone, eh? Woo. Hey, Plamena, we always said, the righteous way isn't always the easiest way.
Sure. Keegan coming with the jabs. The counter hooks. The counter hooks.
Oh, that way, Chad boxed open, round 4. Fight.
Alright.
Round 1. Fight.
Brian, we've been doing this for a year and a half now, bro. Trust me. Plamena's gave me some thick skin already now. I know the same way she takes it, I know we can also take it now.
Keegan coming with those counter claps.
Those that couldn't take it are no longer around. These comments again, some flag.
Keegan coming with the counter clap. Keegan lazy with the counter clap. Oh, ladies and gents. Ladies and gents, what do you know about that counter clap? Keeks, real talk now, quick.
Yeah.
Are we looking at this or are we looking at that?
I prefer that one.
That one, no.
Yeah.
So we're
I
gonna leave.
prefer
Are we
that
gonna
one.
leave this?
Bro, okay, hold on. We left it yesterday.
No. Remember.
Wait, hold on. That's going to invalidate itself very quickly. So if it invalidates, it's a no-go.
Okay.
If it holds, then maybe. But if it invalidates, it's a no-go.
So then we go on the rip, yeah.
Yeah.
Let me get him off the rip, you know, bro.
Yo. Because technically that was the problem yesterday, bro. And it is. It's Asia highs. So if it holds. Just ever listening to the vibes. It's just a long story. Yo, just watching the stream in public and someone hears those claps. Whew. Yo, you've got a long story to explain then. People are gonna be like, sorry, sir, what are you watching over there? This is a public place.
Oh, this is a counter clap. Kings, what are we doing, bro?
If it holds, bro, we gotta go. Okay, hold on. Don't let me call. I called the solid here today. I like it. You're gonna wait.
I'm gonna wait. Yeah. Purely because of what I said. We've broken above and we haven't.
On US 30. From an earlier, I said it technically didn't. Oh, on the 5 minutes, I mean it actually did. On the 5 it was perfect because you got the break above and then you retested and closed. But the only problem with this is you would have entered over there. That's my only. Well, I mean, there's your 30. Okay, no, it would have played out still nicely. So.
Actually,
yeah,
I hope it invalidates.
It would have played out nicely for you. So, yeah, that would have been a nice grabber on the 5 minutes on US 30.
Oh, please invalidate so we don't have to think
Dax
about
is
it.
giving, you can do it.
Oh, shit. Dax, Chad.
Aren't you buying Dax?
I am. I don't want to wait for gold. Oh, Chad, I'm saving my bullet for gold.
Rixie out on gold. What was Rixie doing? Was he buying or was he selling? Then stand and forget gold buys. Alright.
There we go, ladies and gents.
He bought from the lows.
Hey.
Like the low lows, like down here. Or like Asia lows. Asia lows would have been nice. Like, I can't even lie. Like, once you finally did break above this retest and holding, then, yeah, this would have been a beautiful place to buy here. I'm sure he wasn't selling. Flamena, there's a lot of things that are questionable over there. I think we have asked this question before, but I can't remember. Flamena, where were you actually like from? Like originally from? Are you from the UK or from
Slovakia.
Also Slovakia.
Yeah.
I'm sure we did answer this ask it before.
Slovakia.
Bulgaria.
Very close to each other. No, I'm joking. It was close enough. Slovakia, Bulgaria. We tried. Are they close though? I wonder if they are close.
I'm not even going to guess with that
Let
one.
me have a look quickly. Slovakia.
I'm not even going to take a guess with that.
Let's check here. Slovakia. Okay, let's check it. Okay, Slovakia.
Literally not close at all. No, damn.
Really? Okay, Slovakia is like almost center there of Europe.
Yeah.
And then okay, no, it's like two countries. Bottom right. Hungary, Romania, Bulgaria, Serbia.
They are close. Wait, well, now we have someone saying no. I mean, technically, it's not that far, bro.
Nah, bro, that's like
On a
that's
flight, how long is that?
Nah, bro, this is like at least a 4-hour flight. Chad,
I'm not gonna say
talk
that's
to me.
that far,
Okay,
bro.
there's Hungary. What did I? Sorry, there's Slovakia.
Yeah.
There's Bulgaria, bro. That is far, dude.
Let's just say on a flight, how long do you reckon that is? You can take a
4
train.
hours.
Bro, if you can take a train, then come on. Then it's close.
Okay, so it's
It's
2,
like a
3.
2-3.
Yeah,
That's
okay,
close, bro.
Okay, that's.
I'll say that's close. My new sister-in-law is from Slovakia.
Bro, I just realized we are flying quite far December. Flying, somewhere. Dubai, and then. So, alrighty. Okay, Kigalezi, let's get serious here.
It's a long flight over that deep blue ocean, bro.
What are we doing here?
You know, there's a lot of planes that have gone missing over there.
Kigalezi, talk to me, brother.
It must be close to Marina, top G, hometown. 1 hour 45-minute flight time. But you're speaking to a guy in SA. Our trains don't work like you. Alright, so first zone invalidated. Let's wait here. Previous daily high. We want to see what it does there.
Nas.
But you know, hey, bro, did you see? Again, a little interesting fact there for you guys. South Africans are now rated the 4th most athletic country in the world.
For real.
Yeah, like legit.
No, but like legit.
Legit. Don't get more legit.
Like
bro.
too legit.
Too legit
to
to
quit.
quit. When will the last stream session be for the year?
24th of December.
Who's streaming?
Me and you.
You're
we
not
carrying. We carrying the chat. I'm only leaving the 28th, my bro. I'm leaving.
Wait,
the 27th of December. 27th. I'm flying to Joburg, sleeping there at the airport. The evening, flying out 8 o'clock the morning.
Alright,
No, I'm joking.
Cribbo's gonna carry you guys. I was like, bro, I'm off on the 15th or 14th, I think it is. I'm off.
Taking a ball just to realize the cow train is underneath. Oh,
Isn't it talented gigs? I don't know, it was something like athleticism or something like that. I just remember it was about something like that. South Africans love the running club. Chad, a good old running club. What's 1, 2, 3? Maybe 4. Sheesh. Did you all hear about the family who digged a borehole only to realize the cow train is underneath? Is that like a real thing?
Yeah.
Really?
Chris, when you're gonna... if I'm being honest, brother, I don't think we're gonna seminar this year in Pretoria. Chad, rebates for you guys Friday. We had a meeting today, so rebates go live on Friday for everyone that has signed up.
Chad, here's my next question for you guys. When do you guys stop trading? Like, I know a lot of people don't even trade December. And then I know a lot of you guys don't stop at all, and you just go right through.
They most probably like, Keegs, stop. Do you guys stop? Wait, what?
Oh.
You guys stop trading?
Chad, okay, hold on. Not another actual real question. Never. Yeah, now that I thought about that, that was really going to be a good Christmas day. Yeah, that was pretty much the answer I was going to get you. If Crib and myself is so 2Gs, we do one more event, seminar or event or something before the end of the year, where do you guys want it? Obviously, we know majority of you guys, and that just is the case, are from Cape Town. But where would you guys want it? There's traders that stop.
You mean you guys stop? I thought we'd push through.
Joburg, please. Belito, Joburg, Josie. London for Brian. Is there a holiday at Greenpoint Stadium? Uitsoen. Let's branch out, Josie.
Waar ons groot voels en
Northwest.
uithoring.
Okay, we are seeing a lot of Joburg, yeah. Poll it. No, we will do a poll when it does get closer to the time, but just out of curiosity, yeah, so far. Because as we said, we've done Cape Town a few times. We still have to actually do Joburg and Durban and all that. Mauritius, hey. My biggest trade was the 25th of December 2024, I swear. Ah, Ed. Keys, you still owe the Joburg Chad. Yeah, I know we do still owe you guys. I trade Bitcoin and meme coins on Christmas and New Year's just to satisfy the craving.
Just to get that feeling of a trade.
But you know what the problem is, bro? When we get back from December holidays, I feel like I've never traded in my life. I come back after that like a 2-week break and you're like, what
You can't trade anymore.
Yeah, like what am I looking at?
Paper trade the first week.
What is this candle?
That's when you think, oh, was this just a retest? And it was actually...
You seen the big turnaround here, Chris. Alright, Brian, so you say gold is selling now? Bro, Brian sells here again today now. I'm done.
Nah, he won't sell above the previous daily high. He knows. You know, I spent extensive amount of time developing Brian into fine young trader he is today, Keegs. So he knows, bro. I'm not even concerned. That's why we only do the one-on-ones once a week.
Just to touch bases,
Yeah, bro.
make sure.
At the start, we did it daily, and I had to calm him down.
Yeah.
First thing he
Just to
comes,
make sure that Plemena's ICT isn't like affecting his brain.
Yeah, no, he comes in and he's like, Chris, I want to sell. But I'm like, Brian, let's bring it down. How are you? Brian, are you doing well? And it's like, okay, Chris, I feel calm. Then we started working from there, and it doesn't come easy though. The thing is, yeah, a lot of people would have given up on Brian, but you know, I've got that dog in me, Keeks, and I was like, Brian is the one guy I'm not gonna give up on. And Chad, yeah, that is the fruit of my labor. Yeah, in the chat daily.
It's a heartfelt moment there, bro. Crazy turnaround. First, I traded Christmas time. I had my biggest loss ever on the 24th and had a shitty Christmas. So no more Christmas trading.
Bro, so when I think it was my first year trading, and bro, the quickest way to ruin your holiday is to trade while you're on holiday. Sitting there having dinner the one evening, and I'm like 50k down. My wife's like, why are you looking at your phone all the time? I'm like, yo, I'm trading that. I'll never forget it, Chad. I was trading natural gas. I was reading some comments and some news articles that nat gas supply is low. It's going to be one of the coldest winters in Europe and in the US, and the cold is going to hit, and that's going to skyrocket. And I'm like building long positions. Down 10k, later on check again, 20, 30. By the time we go for dinner, down 50. I'm like, oh my goodness.
Wait, bro, hold on. Quick one. What level are you watching for?
That level there. The one we talked about. Yeah, same as you.
It is the same one, eh?
Yeah, no, it missed.
Can you look
Oh,
at
yeah, but Kigalezi.
Yeah.
Kigalezi. Yo, almost forgot about this one.
Can you look it down? Let's have a look at it quickly. What is it doing for you?
Kigadwaza.
Yeah, so the big thing, remember we spoke about that it could quickly run this move over here. So if you guys were, let's just go to 15. Remember, Chad, if you guys go back to the breakdown we did, remember I spoke to you about this candle over there. Market open yesterday. We a lot of the time like to see that reversal. And then you guys can see. So I had that bullish push we spoke about to test that. Now start rejecting. So if it doesn't like to go for this wick fill, very good chance you're going to see USD start to go down a bit. And if we go over to NAS, you can see NAS also battling a bit. Sorry, Chad. But yeah, that's what you just want to watch out for. But nothing too crazy. It's indices actually not moving that much.
Gold. Kiki. 2 minutes. Question is, do we go 1 to 2 or 1 to 1? Kigaleza.
We just go for it, bro. Close your eyes and go for it.
No, but I'm asking 1 to 1 or what?
I'd say 1 to 2 because 1 to 1 is basically going to take all-time highs.
Okay.
So I'd say you can go break even, and if it runs, it's gonna run.
All right, Kigaleza.
What do you say?
I'm gonna monitor that average daily range. If we can hold above it, then 1 to 2 is gonna be the play.
Bro, it's right there. Just stay. We're gonna hold those highs. It'll be beautiful. Linda's calling. There we go. Yeah, buy the first pullback.
Okay.
Oh, Linda. See, we got Linda on our side this time. Chris, what lot size do you use? 100.
No, I don't use lot sizes.
Bro, do you see our other man, for the first time, he's now trading 500 lots, 2 positions, so 1,000 lots. Say, don't forget. 2 positions of 500 lots.
Bro, there's no major broker that allows 500 quickly.
1,000 lots.
Like there's, yeah, unless you're on an institutional desk, I think the max per click is like 250. on what pair?
Bro, go.
On what pair?
EU, I think. I'll tell you now.
Look, you can trade 1,000 lots, but per click they've got a limit. You can do, some brokers even go as low as 150 per click. Oh, no,
Euro GDP. 500. 1,000 lots.
Bro, he took a page out of Roger Banks' book.
1,000 lots, bro. 2 positions. Oh my word.
he took a page out of.
Oh, bro. You don't tell me you're in.
No.
Bro, it's just gonna be yesterday. Remember when we
When
just
it
couldn't
ripped.
get
Yeah.
entry and then it ripped.
Ripped.
Oh,
Wanna
gold!
be-
Don't do this to us.
I want to be bleak.
Send to the moon. Oh, that must be nice. 1,000 lots. The worst I've ever done is 10 lots in gold, and I nearly had a heart attack.
Minus 50, and you don't want to be there.
Bro, 10 lots in gold. You start sweating. That is painful. I've never had anxiety like I did then.
Okay, let's see.
The thing is, who's gonna lend him a McLaren Alva at 2 million USD? Don't.
But bro, he makes a shit ton of money with these courses.
Yeah, we've done the maths.
Yeah, Chad, he makes a lot of money, not trading. But he makes a lot of money.
Alex, yeah, I won't say no stop loss. It's more 10 lots and blow the account.
Hi.
There's no.
Hi. 10 lot to poverty. Lamarol was open about it once, where he said he makes anywhere between 3 to 5 million per year dollars with his mentorship and signals and stuff. We worked it out. Alex is making close to about 8 million a year. If you just take how much he made with that, remember that last little one we had like the post up in Times Square? Not Times Square. Is it Times? No, it's not Times Square. What's that square there, New York?
It is.
Is it Times Square?
Yeah.
And we worked it out.
BMW finance ad. It's a sign.
Hi.
$8 million.
Yeah. So he makes money, but it's not from trading. You know what they said? The guys during the gold rush that made the most money were the guys selling the shovels and the equipment, not the actual miners. Think about that.
His money tribe from East London. I have no clue where he's from. I just know he's a bloody nugget. Madison Square Garden. No, Madison Square Garden. Isn't that like a stadium?
Yeah, Madison Square Garden is like a venue.
Yeah.
No, Times Square is there in New York. There where they usually have that New Year's ball drop.
Yeah.
To US 30.
Basketball stadium. Yeah. Afternoon chair. What's up? What's up?
Pablo King, my brother. Kigaleza.
And TJ are a lot of traders I know trade his strats. I don't even know what his strat is, bro.
TJ doesn't trade his support. He just trades support and resistance. He trades classical price patterns, head and shoulders, flags, wedges.
Does he trade patterns?
Yeah, and he loves his head and shoulders pattern, and yeah, just trades on the 4-hour sport break retest. But if you give it a cool name and like a cool twang to it, people love it. Like set and forget, baby.
Bro, I have a feeling Gold's not going to give us entry and it's going to run.
15 seconds. Kigalezi.
I have a very good feeling it's not going to give us entry and it's going to run.
No, I actually think we're going to get the better entry. Kigawana.
We're just still waiting here, Chad. TJR trades SMC. Get in, gents. It's going to run without you.
I didn't rate it well. Rate it well.
We're already revenge trading, yeah, guys. So you got to be careful, yeah. Plamena's not tuning the idea, so clearly she agrees with it.
What's that? Longing.
Yeah, otherwise she would be look at these idiots trying to sell gold.
Nah, we want to get along. We just need a...
I trade one lot on gold plus a second position of a one lot minus 25 pips. That's as much as I can handle as a psychological level. Generally nothing more than a 50 pip stop loss when you not start scaling lot size. Yeah, that is I must say, I mean, basically, so a 2 lot position on gold, that is quite a comfortable position. I mean, even Chris knows, quite honestly, that's what I've been doing most of the time. So like on my personal account, yeah, do a one lot, and then you can just start scaling in. So either doing a 1, and then if you can get a better entry, another 1. Otherwise you get that 2 lot, just one shot off the rip. That's still a very comfortable position to be. But I think, bro, it's just part of it. I think when you want to start scaling, you start just doing it naturally. I think you should just be at a point where it's like the one day you should be like, bro, I think it's time to do it. It's not something you should start forcing.
Are we going to get it? Are we going to get it, ladies and gents?
Close your eyes and buy. You shouldn't be looking for anything but longs. Don't tell them, right? Hey.
Set and forget. Stel en vergeet. Ek help Afrikaanse traders reg oor die land om hulle finansiële posisie
Once it pops
te
that
verbeter.
high, it's running.
Trade saam met die 2 G's. Of wees 'n pannekoek die res
That's a
van jou
pause
lewe.
candle, isn't it, Chris?
Hi,
Your
pause.
students asking you, bro.
Yeah, no, bro, we are so in sync. I don't know why he's asking these questions publicly. It's making me look bad. Brian, we're trying to get people into the mentorship and we're using you as our flagship model.
Join Project G, Darren Dix. Put that on a t-shirt. It cracks me up when Chris speaks Afrikaans. Forget he is Afrikaans at the time.
Yeah, Brian, I think I want to start. It seems Afrikaans people are very gullible.
We're gonna have
So
a Afrikaans segment for Chris from now.
I'm
on.
gonna change my TikTok to Afrikaans and my Instagram. Lekker julle.
I told you, bro. It should become Chris Stoetbal.
Ek is hier in die 2G studio vir ons nou so 'n bietjie content vir julle geskiet het. Trades loop lekker. Die biltong proe lekker. En die boude klap.
Bro, we are. Bro, we are like on the verge.
Daar's net een trade. En dit is die 2G's trade.
Road to 4,000.
Bro, if I think about it, I love Afrikaans, Chad. Don't get me wrong, I love my Afrikaans people.
Just,
but
just not Afrikaans music.
But if I think about the taste of music of Afrikaans people, I know why they are buying these bots. It's just bad decision upon bad decision. So for my fellow Afrikaners, ek is baie lief vir julle, ek is lief vir die taal, maar I know why you guys are buying bots. Show me your favorite playlist and I'll tell you if you bought the bot or not. Show me your YouTube music. Let me see what is recommended for you and I can tell you, my brother, you are a bot buyer. Susan, ons bly by die fucking huis Desember. Hoe so, Johan? My ander klein bliksem van George het alweer vir my 'n kakbot verkoop en gesê hy werk. En nou sal af die laaste 3 maande. Fuck it, Johan, ek het dan vir Theresa gesê ons kom deur. Fuck Theresa. Hoe sê ek nou vir Theresa ons kom hier? Jy bel Susan vir Theresa. Ja, Henny het alweer daai ander fucking klein snotkop se bots gekoop. Hy het ons hele pensioen verwoes. Hy kan vergeet om nou op 55 af te tree. Chad.
Chris can do his own show. I see where their danger is.
Johan join ons vir golf in naweek. Nee, boys. Ek moet hierdie fucking bot try uitfigure. Nou moet ek self leer om te trade. Gaan 'n paar YouTube video's kap oor die naweek. Hoe om Forex te trade.
Bro, yeah, actually hold it. If you search that, is there any trading course that's in Afrikaans on YouTube?
Bro, let me see. Hoe om Forex te trade.
Is there anything that's in Afrikaans?
Leer Forex trading stap vir stap. Lees al die basiese beginsels van Forex trading en hoe om Forex as 'n newbie te verhandel. Now, I think that's just direct translation.
Maybe that's what you must do, bro. You must do your ultimate beginner's guide, but do it in Afrikaans.
Bro, I don't know why we're fighting. I think we should just commit to doing something like that. Susanna, ek het nou hier die nuwe ou gekry. Hulle noem hom Stoetbul. Nee, hy is nie 'n boer nie. Hy trade, maar hy lyk jy moet ouetjie se hare sien. Altyd styf gekam. Hy lyk altyd of hy so 'n bietjie in die son gesit het. Sy velletjie is bruin, maar ek vertrou hom. Nee, Johan, nie weer 'n bot nie. Maar 'n ander Engelse bliksempie langs hom, ek vertrou nie hom nie. Hy's vol tattoos. Nee, daai ek sal besop vir daai ou. Maar daai Afrikaanse ou, nee, jessie, sy hare lyk knapperig, man.
There's really a guy on TikTok scamming all over here. Join die winning team, julle.
Nee, ouetjie wat sy hare so netjies gekam is. Ek kan so ouetjie vertrou. Teken my op.
Welcome to the Afrikaans bot show.
Teken my op nou. Nie nog 'n bot nie, Johan. Stil jy, Susan. Gaan laat weet Theresa, ons kom dalk nog Desember. Ja nee, Johan, ek gaan kyk na sy Instagram. Hy lyk heel knapperig, die mannetjie. Heel agter mekaar. Jo, Afrikaans, my Afrikaans people, I need to. Hi.
It's hard out there, bro.
Hi. Praise the news or something coming out. Why do I feel like this?
Chris, you made my day today with the Afrikaans play.
Oh,
You can call it Pips and Branas.
Pips en Branas.
Oh,
Ek sal nog 'n show van jou kyk, Chris. Hey.
Chad, what did I tell you, bro? When I told you this morning, your number play.
What was it say? Funny money. Chris went an Afrikaans accent slip.
No, Chad, we were joking because you were saying this morning about the custom plates we're gonna get, and how all that like my nice one. I was like, nah, I'm saying what I'm gonna do. And Kate comes back and she's like, yo, Chris, I've got the perfect one for you. So we're like, what's that? She's like, yo, no, Chris's can be funny money.
Oh,
Chris when
lazy.
Afrikaans accent slips. TG's giving away a fortune at any time soon. All the models to be exact.
Oh, they think we're giving away Bonang's fortune. I think if Bonang claps like another 500k a month, he'll be like, I don't even want this thing. Let me give it away.
I would buy tickets if Chris would give a show. Bro, I rate we do that. You can do a stand-up show.
Yeah.
We do tickets, and all the sales we do there, we put it on CPR.
We can do that. But listen here, some of these comedians are next level, eh? You need to... They're actually very intelligent, Chad.
Bro, are you watching?
I'm watching, my bro.
Or would you take it on the rip now?
No, that's what I'm asking you. Last time, bro, this is what I asked you when we were on the game drive, and you were like, nah, bro, that there. Boom.
We take it, bro. Are we taking it?
No, I'm asking, bro. Okay, so
Right.
is that what
We had a team
Okay.
discussion there, Chad. We know what we're doing here.
Okay.
A quick little team huddle.
All right. Okay, I'm happy with that. Thing is that 5 has to close though. And I'm not gonna pee in 1 minute and 30 seconds.
The previous daily high is tested, Chad. Serious chat's going on here.
I'm not gonna be able to pee in 1 minute 15.
Keys, I think Chris needs more of a hug at this stage.
Who says that?
Who do you think?
No man, Brian. Come on. I thought you've got me.
Bro,
Brian, I thought me and you were tight, my brother. Okay, Kigalezi, let's see. I'm happy with that because there you can check that.
yeah.
So I'm happy with that. Only thing is we might Kiga, look at that. Stops are gonna
Chris, do we trade the logic, bro?
what's the logic?
Whatever we're gonna do, we're gonna do the opposite. But now, Chad, how do you know which one we're gonna do?
Bro, I low-key developed a poo now. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it through this session.
We're ripping, bro.
Are you, bro? Dude, you just told me we're waiting for this. Are you ripping it now? Bro, you literally told me we're waiting for that. How are you telling me now we're ripping?
I'm not gonna rip
Wow.
because of what we spoke about that time. If you change time frames, so because technically that is changing for us, and on the other time frame we slowly are getting close to that. So is this gonna be the switch
Okay.
right now? Then I wouldn't want to
yeah.
go for it. So
Yeah.
I'd rather
Wait
for that because then it is holding.
Okay.
But if it doesn't, that could be the early sign that it's changing. Watch Keeg's terminal, Chris. Bro, I'm not taking the trade. Chris can see my terminal.
But this was what I was asking while we were there, and you were like, bro, that's me in.
Nah, I think now that we're looking like there, with you know what the difference is.
Yeah,
there,
yeah.
bro.
No. I would feel a lot more comfortable taking this than.
Like Chad, okay, hold on. Look here. I'm going to show you guys. Just the idea is, off the rip, we should have taken a buy there now, okay? Off the rip.
But we still.
And you would have run your 50 pip stop, okay? But we're going to wait a little bit. We're going to wait. We just want to see, does this, for example, this candle on the retest, does it hold?
On the 1 minute, the 200.
There you go. So you can see on the one, Chad, you can see it's literally holding the 200 very, very nicely. So we just want to see, because technically on two things, there's two things that can happen here now. If you look here, Chad, we are starting to break, as Chris is saying there. And what's going to happen here, we are either going to absolutely run this bottom low now and drive that previous daily high, or it's going to hold beautifully for us, but then we'll rather just wait for that break over there, and then we'll get in from there. Because at the end of the day, if we do get in over here like it is now, then we can have it run. So that was the one. Should we not have entered? But we're going to wait, Chad. Just see if this thing can hold for us, and then we'll rip. But you guys will... See, bro, I told you. The logic was you should have taken on the rip there.
Bro, that's why I muted the flipping mic. And you were like, oh, but... Bro, this is exactly what I asked you that afternoon, that Friday afternoon.
I think we confused ourselves, bro.
Nah, bro, we wrecked ourselves.
We confused ourselves.
Hi, Kigi. Kigaleza.
Keegs are still coming down a bit, so don't rush the boys. Keegs limit triggered. So we're going to see there, Chad. You would have been like 2 pipettes away from TP. But
We need to journal these.
you would have hit break even now. So
Yeah.
you would have hit break even.
Okay, I'm going to go pee quick because it's there.
But that would have been the trade we were talking about, Chad. So we can still wait a little bit. We're not in anything. So we are still waiting.
I would actually like one more.
So let's see. Because remember, that's what we said, Chad. This was that there. Literally, you would have been a break even anyway. So, but this thing can turn around, and this is exactly why we didn't. This thing can absolutely run these lows now and previous daily high. And if it does, it could have a little bit of a dump. So let's see. As soon as that buy box was loaded onto the screen, guys definitely sent it. Yeah, the guys, they don't chill. They just go full send over there.
Oh, you're gonna get it. Kiga lazy. Nah, everyone's being or fooling or whatever they're doing. Alrighty.
Technically, bro, now we actually could enter. If you think... No, like, hold, no, bro, legit, yeah, now. Because that was your test and a retest holding.
So we're ripping it now.
Technically, you can now.
No, I'm still gonna wait for this.
Say
Keys.
less key.
I'm still gonna wait
Keys,
for
you
this.
must keep Chris on his toes. And like when he gets back, just say, did your TP?
Chad, I'm gonna be very honest with you guys. I'm gonna wait for one simple reason.
I already got clapped today, so I'm waiting.
For one simple reason, and this is the following. As much as I want to get long, and there's that previous daily high level that we are currently holding, there's 39.75. Okay, so if we cannot get above that level, I cannot take it. All right. Come on, gold.
Chad, it's making us wait a bit yet today.
Yeah, Chad, as soon as we get that closure above there, that gives me two things. We're holding the 200 there. We're holding that previous daily high. And we are now back above 39.75. And then we at least know we can go to the 80. Alright, so that's all we're waiting for. If we get it, we get it. If we don't get it,
Geeks on 5 minute, it broke and closed below previous low. I'm on the 5 minutes, it didn't. That 4 hour candle sitting on the previous daily.
oh, okay, here we go. Let's lock in. Bro, I need to pee so badly.
I gotta lock in here, bro.
We're not yet.
Are you gonna take it on the one?
Yeah, are you in?
Are you in?
There, you check there.
Chad, I'm even confused here now.
Are you in or not?
I want to enter now, bro. But I'm like, what am I not seeing that you would?
Oh, do you wanna enter on this 5 now, closing bullish?
No, I'm saying wait. What are you waiting for?
I'm waiting for that, bruv. There. Check. You see that?
I'm with you. I'm with you.
That's why I need
I'm with you, bro.
bro again.
Don't do. Morse code. Yeah, we go again. Are we in? Chad!
We're not in.
Chad! Bro, look, come on!
Look at that. It's only 27. We're gonna rip it now, Keeks. Real main rip it here with some trend line liquidity. The nice thing is we've got the trend line liquidity on our side.
Chad, I'm entering, like, I'm not waiting anymore.
Oh, you're entering?
I'm going for it, bro, you.
Okay, let me hear it. I want to hear you enter. Ah, shit, I can't need to be in. I'm in.
Chad, did you hear that? I
No,
don't know
sorry. My thing was off.
Well,
Let
Chad,
me-
I'm already in. I'm either going to get chowed quick yeah now, but I am in.
Are you going 1 to 2 or 1 to 1? Keeks, that's a question. Are we going 1 to 1 or 1 to 2?
What do you think, bro?
I want to see what we do.
If we go 1 to 2, we're going to mean you're doing all-time highs.
Yeah, I'm going to need to see what we do. Yeah. I'm going to go 85, Keeks. I'm going to go 85.
I want to see a high time frame. So what is this looking like on the high?
I'm going to go 85.
What is daily R1? Okay, daily R1 does give us some type of...
Are you going 1 to 1 or 1 to 2?
Wait, I just want to see where my 1 to 2 is.
$85 I think is reasonable.
That's if we...
Already, 70% into drawdown. Okay, did we make a mistake? Did we make another mistake here in chat?
Ah!
Did we make another mistake? Did that 5 minute fool us holding that previous daily high? Did it want to go deeper? Is this trend line strong enough to hold us? I'm going 85, Keeks. I think 85 is a reasonable target.
I'm going to let you know once I get into profits. I'll let you know whatever the target.
Ah!
Bro, we literally tested Asia highs and it's rejecting.
Wait.
Do you not think the better move would have been us entering once we got above Asia highs?
We're already in, bro, so we are relatively committed, yeah. 66% drawdown. I'm just gonna go pee. Keeks, honestly, I don't think it's a bad trade. I'm gonna tell you why. If we get stopped, we get stopped. That's part of it. But here's my thing. As mentioned, we are super bullish, Chad. We've broken above the previous daily high, never retested and held. We broke above, nice retest here. We've got a 5-minute bullish engulfing, taking these 5-minute lows. It's going to be very unlucky if it pulls back one more time there. But yeah, this is not a bad trade. There's your breakout. We're holding it, previous daily high. So if I get stopped, it's not a bad stop for me.
That was just the thing for me, bro.
What?
That was the trade there.
Yeah, but that's what I was asking
That's
you,
what I
bro.
said. But that's what I said. The second time when it still held, that's when we should have entered.
That's what I was like. We need to sort this out.
That was entry there.
We need to talk about this. We need to discuss this. Yeah, you need to sit down.
Yeah, Chad. Earlier.
That's what I asked you on Friday.
No, but that's what I still said earlier. Chad, that's the thing. We should have actually been in earlier. When you guys were hearing me saying like that's the retest that was holding, we should have been. That was the test because without on the 5. Let's just go back to this. This should have been the trade. Yeah, we tested previous daily high, still held it. This should have been our position there. That should have been your position. The 50 pips stop. So you're still going through drawdown a little bit. But there's your 1-to-1. You have your 1-to-1. Whether you want to go more, you could be break even. But there was the trade. We hesitated. We can't lie about that one. We hesitated on that trade. Now we entering up here after retest, having pullback. That's on us. But yeah, that was the trade there for us, unfortunately. Now we're fighting over here now. So now we just got to get through this and see what this position does for us. Still him, bro. Let's learn keys. Just leave. If 39.73 holds, you're safe, but if you're not, you're cooked. 39.73. Wow. What's Brian seeing at 73?
I think it's looking at this zone here.
39.73.
This zone. Here. That zone there. See where we topped from every time? So they topped. Failed to hold above. Broke below. So that's why I was saying
So you still got a chance, alright.
and we've got this trend line liquidity, Kigo.
Oh,
Bro, when is the trend line liquidity going to come through for us Sunday? And we've got this trend line liquidity.
That's it, Chad. I've heard it all now. We're now trading trend line.
Okay, I'm going to be honest with you. Now, looking at it on the 5 is actually not looking good for us.
Now it's not looking good for us.
I'm going to tell you why, Keegs. I'm going to tell you why. This is something we discussed on XRP on the daily.
I'm going to go pee for
Okay. Was it on the daily or the weekly? Oh yeah, it was on the daily. Chat. So remember this morning when I said you can see the bounces are getting lower and lower. Okay. So it's going to get to a stage where it's going to break out. Now, if you look on the 5 on gold, we're creating something very, very similar where the highs are getting lower and lower. And we've got a relatively equal base where we're trading from. Oh shit, we might make it through this. We might survive this. Again, Chad, it's not about the money, it's about our egos getting absolutely wrecked. Once Plamena sees me in the red. That is when we start to cry in the shower. So nobody can see out here. Keegs, we slightly back in the blues here. That trend line liquidity might come through for us. I said, yeah, it's not even about the money for us. It's about us crying in the shower at night, knowing that Plamena wrecked us in the chat. Keegs, you should really consider working from home.
Why?
I don't know if Brian said that. Okay, what are we doing? Are we going 1 to 2?
Are we gonna go for it?
I don't know, bro. You need to tell me these things. I don't know. I've set my TP at 85.
Where's 85? Hold on.
85 is literally at the session highs.
But no, here's my question. Why would you do that? Because if you know it's gonna run.
No, that's the low hanging fruit for me. Because remember, if you look at price action, something that we teach is that we always expect after pullback as a minimum for the session high or the daily highs to be tested, and from there you'll either get your fake out or you will get your break, retest and hold. But tell me now, because if I walk away with a break even and you walk away with money,
Chad, I'm gonna go break even. Okay, I'm gonna go break even and I'm gonna leave it. If it's,
are you going break even now?
I'm break even, Chad.
Why are you break even, bro?
Because if this is, bro, if you were 1 to 1, if you 1 to 1, that is literally
lazy.
6 pips from TP. 6 pips.
How are
TP,
you
if
1
that
to
is
1?
1 to 1.
When did you enter?
I entered. Wait, where did you enter then?
Oh, I checked. That was 40. No, I entered there as
So
well.
if it goes 1 to 1, like that, if that was any other position, bro, you 6 pips from TP. Why would you not be break even? So I'm break even. You're giving it the chance to run. If it doesn't run, I've taken the break even. If it runs, it runs. That way I'm giving it the chance.
Nah, I'm not going break even.
That's fine, bro, but I am.
I'm going 85 or nothing. Nah, I'm talking shit, bro. Now I want to go.
Man's is made of money, Chad.
Nah, I want to go 50 giga. I want to go 50. I changed my TP, Chad. Okay, Brian said I should get the body. So that is 78. I'm going 78. I want to trust my student, yeah. I want to trust my student, Keegs. I'm going 73 pips.
73.
73 pips. Brian is one of my best students. I'm not going to doubt him. He said we maybe can't get the wick, but the body will get. I'm going to trust. The thing is, I've given Brian so many chances to be great in the chat, and he's taken every single opportunity. This is another one of those days where Brian has got the opportunity to be great. And I cannot doubt the man, Chad. I cannot doubt the man. Because he is a reflection of me. When I look at Brian, I look at myself, Chad. And here's my thing. How can you not trust yourself?
I love how we got to that conclusion.
Oh, Chad. Look at that. I told you.
Chad, there's TP.
No, that's not TP gigs.
That was the 1-to-1.
You took the pussy TP.
I'm done, Chad. I'm done.
The real man is staying for the 79, Chad. The real man. I'm gonna at least go break even now. You check, the real men stayed for the good stuff. Okay. Real men don't go break even. What? Bro, 80 is the new 50. I don't know.
Chad, that's still a W trade. Come on.
No,
we sat through drawdown, bro. We nearly got stopped.
Bro, I was only thinking about Plamena coming in.
She was gonna wreck us, bro.
Dude, why did I want to cry tonight again in the shower? And then I come out and my eyes are red and my wife's like, "What's wrong?" And it's like, how do I tell her? There's a lady from Bulgaria that we haven't even physically met,
who absolutely abuses us every
she
single
wrecks
day.
us. And I just want to win to not have her wreck us.
Nah, Chad, I will take it, bro. My 50, I will take it.
Okay, I'm break even, Chad. Let me just do this. I still have to pick up my son, bruv. Come on, eat this TP so we can. Here we go. Oh, come on.
Bro,
I want to see. Chad. Come on, Chad. For everyone that took that trade, baby.
There we go, Chad. Chad, now you know the only problem was that bro, if that thing goes 1-2.
It literally went 1-2. That's where I said that average daily range.
That's all time high. But Chad, I'm happy with that. It's blue day.
That's for the boys.
We got a little bit abused, but
look at that, Chad. Stunning. Kicks, I'm done, bro. I'm exhausted, bro.
I'm done. Chad, I also have to run, bro. So I don't know how long.
No. I need to, dude. I actually need to pick up my son.
Chad,
He's gonna think he doesn't have parents anymore.
Thank you for staying till the end here with us. We really appreciate it.
Daniel's gonna be like, "Why am I still the only kid at school?"
But Chad, we really appreciate all you guys. That Chad was at least worth it. The 1-to-1, Chris taking a 1.5 there, maybe 1 3/4. But it was good. Just shows you, Chad, if you put the effort in, just like Brian, you can do it too.
Brian, at least give us a hashtag 2Gs there.
There we go. Come on, Brian.
I'm here to get Chris out. Beautiful.
Hey.
Let's make Chris great again.
But Chad was a good one. Thanks for always being here as always. Chad, you had a double dose of the TGs here today. Cribber, closing remarks?
No, I think it was you know what stuff is, the idea was always to get long. The thing is there were so many contradictory factors at play. But that's trading. That's trading. In hindsight, everything looks super easy, but when you're there ready to put risk on the table, it's a completely different story. But W day, nonetheless, even though it's only a 35 pip day for me, 35 pips is some guys' week's worth of trades. So, all right.
There we go, Chad. And without further ado, we're going to see you guys same place, same time as always. Chad, make sure you subscribe. We're going to see you guys then tomorrow. Take care of yourself, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.
Peace.
She gon' move like a dancer. Wondering what's next, no one I can answer. Right now you just tell like the answer. The check never bounced, think I like my banker. She do it without me, think I'm like an anchor. She can give the most, I would never thank her. Got it ready, I'm just waiting on the transfer. Going all the way like I'm Prancer. She gon' break my shirt cause she mad at me. It's a tragedy. If I'm not rich, then I'm bound to be. I'm proud when my ass for your salary. Running through your mind, burning calories. This is what it's come to. Now I'm staring at the hoops you got me jump through. You're stuck on my mind like you're cancer. Doing all that you have something I can't do. Flexing what I got, she gon' move like a